Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, the 13th of May. Jen Amos is off today. Stocks on Wall Street may take their cues from the European markets this morning, following a strong GDP report. The Eurozone economy expanded by 0.8% in the first quarter, compared to the previous 3 months, and 2.5% compared to the same period last year. That was better than expected and the fastest pace since 2007. Germany led the way with quarter-over-quarter growth of 1.5%. But the report also highlighted the differences between the core Eurozone countries like Germany and France and the ones on the periphery, such as Portugal, which officially slipped into a double-dip recession. The news is boosting the euro and driving down the US dollar, and that in turn is supporting commodities prices. Precious metals are rebounding a bit from their recent sell-off, with gold back above $1,500 an ounce and silver topping the $35 mark. Meanwhile, crude oil is closing in on $100 a barrel again. Investors are also digesting some data on the U.S. economy. I'll have the details on the April Consumer Price Index and all the market reaction after the opening bell. On the corporate front, one of the day's biggest decliners may be Yahoo. It's falling 6% right now on news that the internet giant was blindsided by a Chinese partner. Alibaba Group transferred control of its online payment unit to another company without informing Yahoo. Yahoo owns a roughly 40% stake in Alibaba, and investors are concerned the move will dilute the value of that stake. Over the past year, Alibaba's CEO has attempted to buy out Yahoo and kick its executives off his company's board of directors. Another big stock loser this morning is Nvidia, tumbling nearly 7% right now. The chipmaker reported a 2% dip in profit after yesterday's closing bell, and revenue dropped 4%, missing estimates. Elsewhere in the technology sector, Google is reportedly near a settlement with the U.S. Justice Department. According to the Wall Street Journal, the government is investigating whether Google knowingly accepted ads from online pharmacies that break U.S. laws. And federal prosecutors may be seeking $1 billion to settle a long-running inquiry into Johnson & Johnson. The Journal reported that a J&J subsidiary may have improperly promoted the antipsychotic drug Risperdal for unapproved uses. Shares of Johnson & Johnson are dropping 2% on the news. That's the latest from Weiss Research. I'll be back with all the economic data and the market reaction, plus the latest on a takeover battle in the rental car industry after the opening bell.